Good day, globetrotters and dream chasers. So you are thinking of heading down underwear, kangaroos roam free, beaches sparkle like diamonds, and barbecues are practically a religion. Sounds like a dream, right? But before you start packing your sunscreen and practicing your good day miyan, there's one not so fun. Little gatekeeper standing between you and the Aussie tree, the visa process. Now here's the kicker: 2025 has been more surprising shifts in Australia's visa rejection rate. Yup, more folks than ever finding themselves on the thanks but no thanks list. So the question is, are you at risk? In the next few minutes, we'll dive into who's getting rejected, why it's happening, and what you can do to keep your visa dreams alive. Whether you are a student, a skilled worker, or just someone who loves collage a little too much, this is your essential wake-up call served with a smile and a side of straight talk. Stick around because getting is not easy as it used to be. But with the right info, you can still beat the odds. Current rejection statistics. In 2025, Australia has witnessed a notable increase in visa rejection across various categories. For instance, the student rejections rate surged to approximately 50%, indicating that the half of the applicants are facing denials. These uptick they attribute to the Australian government's effort to tighten immigration controls, ensure the integrity of its visa programs, and manage population growth. Common reason for the visa rejection. Understanding the typical pitfalls can help applicants avoid common mistakes. Number one, incomplete or incorrect documentation. Submitting applications with missing or incorrect documents is a leading cause of rejections. This includes inconsistencies in personal information, outdated forms, or missing signatures. Number two, financial insufficiency. Applicants must demonstrate adequate financial resources to support themselves during their stay. Failure to provide sufficient proof of funds, such a bank statement or a sponsorship letters, can lead to the denial. Number three, failure to meet health requirements. Australia enforced stricter health standards to protect public health. Applicants with a certain medical condition or those who fail to undergo required medical examination may face rejection. Number four, character concerns. A history of criminal activity or associations with a criminal organization can result in visa denial. Australia conducts thorough background checks to ensure the safety of its citizens. Number 5, genuine temporary entrant GTE criteria not met. For temporary visas such as student or visitor visas, applicants must prove their intention to return home after their stay. Weak ties to the home country or vague future plans can raise red flags. Number 6, incorrect visa type or purposes. Applying for a visa that doesn't align with the intended purpose of this visit can lead to rejection. For example, applying for a tourist visa when planning to study. Steps to improve your visa application success. To enhance your chances of approval, consider the following measures. Number 1, thoroughly review application requirements. Ensure you understand the specific requirements for the visa category you are applying for. Use official checklists and guidelines provided by the Australian Department of Home Affairs. Number 2, accurate and complete documentation. Double check all the forms supporting documents for accuracy and completeness. Ensure consistency across all submitted materials. Number 3, demonstrate financial stability. Provide clear evidence of your financial capacity, including recent bank statement, income proof, and, if applicable, sponsorship letters. Number 4, meet health and character requirements. Undergo all the necessary medical, examination and obtain police clearance certificate as required. Disclose any past issues transparently and provide supporting documentation. Number 5. Craft a strong GTE statement. Articulate your genuine intention for visiting Australia and your plans to return home. Include evidence of ties to your home country, such as employment, family, or a property ownership. Number 6. Choose the correct visa type. Ensure the visa you apply for the align with your purpose of travel. Misalignment can lead to suspicion potential rejection if your visa is rejected. In the event of a visa refusal, understand the reason. Carefully read the refusal notice to identify specific issues. Consider an appeal. You may appeal certain decisions through the Administrative Appeal Tribunal. Appeal must be lodged within strict deadlines. Example: 21st days for the student visa. Reapply after addressing issues if appealing is not an option. Correct the issues in your application and reapply. Seek professional help hiring a migration agent or immigration lawyer can significantly improve your chances. The rising visa rejection rates in Australia in 2025 reflects a broader trend of tightening immigration policies, increased scrutiny, and a strategic shift in how the country balances skilled migration, education, integrity, and population control. A nearly 50% rejection rate for the student visa, among others, is not just a statistical spike, a signal, a deceived move by Australian authorities to filter applications more rigorously and ensure only the most credible, prepared, and compliant application gain entry. From a policy standpoint, these stricter measures are meant to safeguard national interest. However, for the applicants, it means the margin for the error is similar than ever. Every piece of documentation, every word in a GTE statement, and every choice of visa subclass can significantly influence the outcome. Thus, succeeding in today's visa landscape is no longer about meeting the minimum criteria. It's about demonstrating excellence in preparation, transparency in intent, and strength in eligibility. The key takeaway was the strategic planning through documentation and perhaps expert guidance. Applicants can still navigate the increasingly narrow path to success. In short, the risk is real, but so is the opportunity for those who are well informed and well prepared.